We're going to be looking at how you can use Canvas with your teachers in this admin feature for today. And Canvas is a learning management system, and many of your teachers have started using it with their students, but there are a lot of neat features that allow you to use it as an administrator too. There's already one that's set up for you as well. I've already made you teachers in the training course that I've set up so that all the teachers are already there. So anything that you want to give your staff to the whole class or to the whole staff, you'll be able to give them. So when you log into your NC Cloud account, it has to be NC Cloud, so don't go through PowerSchool, go through NC Cloud. You'll see Canvas. It'll be really the only icon that looks completely different. I think it's 3 over. You'll see the Canvas LMS icon. And when you get into Canvas, you'll see your dashboard. It'll include all the courses that you're a part of. My course will be the SCS Training 2015-2016. And I've labeled it so that you can use this with your staff to give them any training videos, anything that you see fit to give your staff. So when you get into this course, it'll look exactly like this. And you'll see announcements, assignments, discussions. This will be a great way that if you want to carry on a whole staff discussion and really have teachers dive deeper into certain topics, you can do that here. It will enable you to use some of these things. Another neat feature, all of my training that I do, I use the attendance feature. You also have access to this feature. You can see the log of it as well. So any attendance that you do after school, now that means you have to do it by hand. You can't have teachers do it on their own. But for the attendance feature, if you click on attendance, you'll see a list of all the participants that are students in this course. And all you'll have to do is click whether they're present, whether they are absent. If they're late, you can document that. And then if you click it again, it goes back to the beginning so that if you accidentally mark somebody present that's not here, you can circle back through. So that'll be a neat feature. The discussions feature. This is where you could give your staff discussions on either a specific training you've done recently, something where they'll have input on a particular topic. It's a great way to start that conversation where you're not taking up time during the training to have the conversation, but it's a way for teachers to contribute. One thing that I've put together for your staff are a few assignments. One of them is a resource sharing assignment to where this has been emailed out to them, but it's also accessible through here. They have digital resource sharing. So I've set up a Google Doc so that teachers can share with each other what resources they're using in their class and how they're using it. And this peer-to-peer interaction will hopefully lead to teachers exploring some new digital resources that they really haven't thought of, because it will be from somebody in the building. It'll be a trusted source, one of their peers. Also, this could be a way for you to post video from grade level meetings. So I've done a presentation at North Stanley Middle School. So I've uploaded it into Canvas so that the video can be seen through here, which if you're not familiar with screencasting or doing any video like that, Screencastify is a great extension for your computer so that you can run Chrome, but then record your screen. You can record your voice. There are plenty of options for this, but it allows you to do these presentations where even if teachers can't be present at the meeting, they can still have the information. Because occasionally you have teachers that have to miss, that are out. You might have duty somewhere else. Kids might be sick. There are many options now for teachers to get access to video or to meeting material without having to be at the meeting or having to see an administrator the next day. So that just gives you a few things that you could use this for. I'm sure there are many other features that you might find helpful, but I would start using this as an administrator because it should make your life a little bit easier to organize some of these things and take it out of your shared drive and start putting it into one central place. I'll be by to speak with you on these topics and make sure we're all on the same page. But I'd like to see people progress into using this for what it could be, because it could be a very helpful tool for communicating with your staff.